So Aiden goes to the park for after school activities, and let me tell y'all something. I couldn't do it without this beautiful girl right here. Because she shows up every day right on time to pick him up, to take him, because you guys know I have a hard time peopling and seeing people and dealing with people. So thankfully, my beautiful sister is here to save the day. Aiden, it's time to go.
My favorite right
It's time to go. Bye.
My favorite right now.
So now I get to go back in and enjoy some quiet time, y'all. I'm excited. No one's here. All the extroverts are gone. Time for the introvert to pull down the blinds and enjoy some quiet time. Who can relate? If you can relate, let me know, because it's quiet time right now. Peace out, y'all. So I'm about to close all the blinds and lay down in my favorite corner and recharge. All right, rest time. Oh, hold on. I forgot I gotta stop the video. Peace out for real this time.